As popular as they are, it's still awfully hard to find clean third-generation Camaros. GM made hundreds of thousands of these cars during a production time frame that spanned an entire decade. But because they were fast, cheap, and affordable, third gens managed to get used up a lot quicker than other 1980s metal, wrapping bright red two-stage around rowdy small block performance. This 86 Camaro IROC Z is a largely original stunner. Looking spectacular in a repaint of correct bright red, this Camaro carries just as much presence as when it rolled off GM's legendary Norwood assembly line. Under that pigment, an incredibly straight fuselage features great alignment. That alignment is highlighted by correct callouts, which complement rich black and silver striping. Take a look inside this straight-edge Chevy and you'll find a well-maintained cockpit that's clean and comfortable. A pristine console plants a factory tape deck in front of a leather-wrapped shifter. The straight dash frames a correct early build 85 mph speedometer, while the driver spins a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Under the hood, a 305 cubic inch LG4 V8 provides just enough grunt to keep this red-hot Chevy both fierce and fun. And the factory T5 5-speed manual spins a familiar GM 10-bolt that's loaded with 323 gears. If you missed your chance to own a third gen when they were new, or recently let a well-kept one get away, this car is a rare chance at redemption. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.